Welcome to the Freelance Blend podcast, where we entertain, educate and engage freelancers from the Philippines and across the globe. And now, here's your host, Marv De Leon.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Freelance Blend podcast. This is another episode of the Freelance Blend podcast na both in audio and video version. So thanks for joining us. Well, I just came back from a short holiday. Hindi naman dito lang sa Manila. And as you know, we just celebrated Halloween and also All Saints Day and All Souls Day. And I hope na you were able to visit your departed loved ones sa ating mga sementeryo. Or if not, I hope you're able to at least pray for them, pray for their souls. And yun yung ginawa ko for the past few days. So visited relatives and also went with my family on may isang birthday party that we went to. So it's been good. And right now is to talk about my online course, my very first online course. It's called the WordPress Blogging Basics course, which is available today. We just opened it today, and it's an online version of a WordPress blogging basics course or a WordPress blogging basics workshop that we did a few months ago, last August. So that was the second run and also the first one sometime early this year. And it's been a very successful workshop. So I decided to bring it online so that you, especially those who are based outside Metro Manila, so that you can also join this course and also take advantage of the learnings that our past students were able to get from this course. And now I'd like to shift over to my presentation so that you will see what's in store for you in that course. And so here is our presentation for the WordPress Blogging Basics course. It's a step-by-step training on how to create a WordPress blog that matters. And this is the page of the course. Later, I'll show you how to join. But first, you learn from this course, you learn everything about blogging and why blogging is still relevant for you and your business today. So blogging for myself has really helped my business, my coaching business, my workshop business. And it's really helped me eventually retire from my job of 18 years. So blogging has really helped me and my brand. And you'll also learn why you need to start your first blog with WordPress. It's one of the most robust blogging tools in the market today. So I would highly teach you not just blogging, but WordPress. And it's used by many bloggers, many businesses. It's, again, a very powerful tool for blogging. And if you're really serious about blogging, then start with the best, which is WordPress. So I'll also teach you the key elements and essentials of a powerful WordPress blog. And I'll also teach you how to create a WordPress blog step by step in just under 10 minutes. So you'll see a video screencast showing you how inside the course. And also we'll talk about how to write a killer blog post that your readers will love and share with your friends. Last but not the least is we'll teach you how to monetize your WordPress blog and earn a living from it. And that's what I talked about earlier, how I use my blog to earn income for myself and my family. Now, this course is not for everyone. So first, we'll talk about who this course is for. So this is for newbies or beginners who want to start a WordPress blog. For current bloggers who are not using WordPress, so maybe you're using Blogspot or Wix or Weebly. So if you want to upgrade to WordPress, a very powerful tool for bloggers, then this is the course for you. For freelancers and solopreneurs who want to add blog content marketing to get more leads and clients for their business. So if you want to create a portfolio website where you can collect leads and email addresses from our clients, and this is for you. If you're a small business owner and you want to grow your brand by having a professional blog site like the big brand, so this is, as I say, a blog is the great equalizer. So even small businesses have blogs just like big businesses. So if you're a small business and if you want to compete with the big boys, then having a professional looking blog will up up the ante and make you appear professional as you are uh, with your clients. Next is this is for anyone who wants to learn about blogging and get inspiration from influencers and fellow bloggers. So apart from myself teaching you, we have Fitz Villafuerte of readytoberich.com and also Alan Ngo, who will participate in our Q&A portion of the WordPress blogging basics course. And to give you an idea, this course is actually a live video recording of a live WordPress blogging basics workshop that we did in August. So we had a videographer record the whole 1-day course, and that's why you see my guests there. As I mentioned earlier, si Fitz and si Alan appear during the workshop. And you really learn a lot, not just from me, from them, and also from the students during that time. And lastly, anyone who just wants to earn money from their blog using a proven step-by-step system. So if you've been blogging for a long time, but you haven't earned a single peso, a single dollar from your blog, then this course will teach you how. Next is, this course is not for those who will not commit to finish the training. So this is about 4 to 6 hours of training from me and the blog coaches. So if you're very busy and you don't have time, then this is not for you. So if you cannot commit the training, sayang naman. So maybe next time. But this is for those who have the time and the commitment. So next, this is not for people who will not commit to take action and apply what they learned from the training. So if you just watch the training but you will not take action, then again, sayang. So I think this is not for you. There are many videos out there that you can watch for free in YouTube. So maybe yun yung better for you. You want to get action takers for this course. Last, this is not for people who don't have the patience and think that blogging is a get-rich-quick scheme. So if you think that you will earn immediately after you create your WordPress blog, then this is not for you. This is a marathon. This is not a race. So it takes time. So as you will hear from the coaches and even from myself, it takes time before we're able to monetize. So if you have the patience and basically just really the patience, then this course is for you. If you don't have it, then this is not for you. This is what our past students have to say. So they're very happy with what they experienced during the live WordPress blogging basics workshop. You can see this later inside on the sales page that we will share with you. But this just shows that they're really satisfied and happy from the course. And also other bloggers like Fitz of readytoberich.com and Alan Ngo of digitalsolopreneur.com and J3 Patino of Pinoy Money Academy and Game of Wealth have to say about the WordPress blogging basics course. Now, what will you learn inside the WordPress blogging basics course? So this is the class curriculum, and there are 6 modules. So there are 6 modules, and module 1 is the introduction, where I introduce the course to the class. Then module 2 is where we talk about blogging in general, the history of blogging, the basics of blogging, and what are the essential parts that your blog should have. Module 3 is where I talk about the basics of WordPress, and you will see a demo video on how to create a WordPress site and publish your first blog post in under 10 minutes. And then I'll be answering questions from the students during during the workshop. And then I'll show the video 2, which is how to customize your WordPress site and create a page. Demo video 3 is how to purchase your domain name from GoDaddy. Demo video 4 is how to point your domain name from GoDaddy to your web host. And then I'll discuss the WordPress plugins and themes that I suggest for you to start with. And then also, again, answer questions from the students. Module 4 will talk about, after you start creating your WordPress blog, is how to grow your blog. So you do that by crafting a killer blog post. So I'll talk about that. And then we'll talk about how to monetize your blog. And then on the 5th module, we'll have the mastermind session where I introduce the blog coaches, Fitz and Alan. And then we also feature, during the workshop, we broke the students into 3 groups. And the task was for them to create a WordPress blog or a blog idea and present it in class. So we'll show the presentation by Pinay Bikers Chronicles, and also by Rene Cavite, an accountant blog, and also a travel blog, Detours and Delicacies. So you'll see them present, and also us, the coaches, will be giving our feedback on how to improve their blog. So that this is really one of the best and most powerful sections in this course. And the last module is the conclusion, your action steps. So what you need to do after viewing the whole course or watching the whole course. And then after that, you'll also have access to the resources, everything that we talk about during the course. So these are the links that you need to go to for you to be able to build your first WordPress blog. And apart from the 6 modules, about 4 hours of content, you'll also get bonuses. So apart from the videos, you also get the worksheets and handouts that you can download and print. You'll also be able to access our private Facebook group. This is only for WPBB students, so you'll have access to that as part of the course. And also you'll be able to watch the Q&A session between Fitz, Alan, myself, and the students of the WordPress Blogging Basics workshop. So that's about 33 minutes of masterminding with the students, answering all their questions about blogging, and we reveal everything that we know about blogging. And another bonus is Anton Diaz, who's the founder of our Awesome Planet.com, one of the biggest travel and food blogs in the Philippines. I'll share with you my interview with him many months ago. And also, Anton is one of my case studies inside the course. That's why I included him as a bonus. So you'll be able to hear our podcast interview and also a transcript of our interview. So this is a long interview. That's why I broke it down into 2 episodes. And you also get the transcript of the second part. You also get my podcast interview also with Fitz Villafuerte about 3 steps to financial freedom, which was also released sometime last year. And also my Facebook Live video with Ginger Arboledo of ManilaWorkshops.com and MommyGinger.com, where we talked about how to monetize your blog. And last but not the least, 2 exclusive interviews. So this is just for WPBB students. This is where I interviewed Fitz Villafuerte after the workshop, and we talked about epic blogging, how to take your blog to the next level. So as you know, this workshop is for beginners. That's why it's a basics workshop. But Fitz and I will talk about how to take your blog to the next level and grow your blog. How Fitz grew his blog, readytobridge.com. So that is his expertise. That's why I was able to get a lot of golden nuggets from Fitz. And last, I also interviewed exclusively for you for this course, Alan Ngo of Digital Solopreneur. His expertise is email marketing. We talked about how to grow your email list that will generate 6-digit sales. So again, this is in fact 80 minutes. So very value-packed interview. And you will get these bonuses inclusive of the WordPress blogging basics course. And what will you create after going through this course is you'll have your own WordPress blog, just like ISLD, who was a graduate of our WordPress blogging basics course. So after the course, she was able to create her own real estate website at isld.com. So this is her front page of her website and also her About Me page. So in a nutshell, you will get 6 modules running for more than 4 hours of training from myself and blog coaches Fitz and Alan. It's go at your pace curriculum. So it's like para kang nagde-Netflix or watching Walking Dead. So you can binge watch. You can go at your own pace. So walang sinusunod na schedule. Once you purchase this course, you have lifetime access to it. So you can go at your own pace. Access the course from your desktop, tablet, or smartphone. So it's very mobile friendly. So maybe you're commuting to work, then you can watch the course while commuting. And then again, as I mentioned earlier, you have lifetime access to the program, including future updates. Downloadable video to access the course even without internet connection. So 30 days after the course opens, and once after you purchase the course, you'll be able to download the video so that you can save it in your computer or in your smartphone so that you can watch it even without internet connection. So I know that internet connection here in the Philippines is quite slow. So you can just bulk download everything and then watch it later. And then last but not the least, you have zero risk when you purchase this course. You have 30 days to, if you think that this course is not for you, then you can just email us and then we will give you back your money. So definitely for the first 30 days, there's no risk for you. You can watch the course for 30 days and just return, email me and say that, Marv, this is not for me. And then we'll just give you back your money. This is how we believe in the course, and we are confident that this course will really help you create your first blog and also eventually monetize from it. So it comes with a 30-day money back guarantee. And again, to summarize, exciting bonuses, the 30-minute Q&A session with me, Fitz, and Alan during the course. It's so that's a bonus. It has a value of 8,000 pesos. Interview with Anton Diaz, a value of 5,000 pesos plus the free PDF. Podcast interview with Fitz, 5,000 value. The free video with me and Ginger, how to make money from your blog, 5,000 peso value. Bonus number 5, a special follow-up interview with Fitz, value of 7,000 pesos. Again, this is exclusive. That's why the value is quite high. And also the interview with Alan, a value of 7,000 pesos, plus the worksheets, handouts, and downloadable videos at 5,000 pesos. And the private and exclusive Facebook group, 8,000 peso value. Just to add to that Facebook group, I will be there every day, most of the time. So if you have questions about the course, you can always post it there and I will answer your question. And also other students will also be able to answer your questions. So the total investment for the course, we talked about the total value of the course. So the course in itself is 10,000 pesos. Siguro if you compare it to the live course, the live workshop is about 2,500 pesos. But of course, after the workshop, wala na. You won't be able to watch us again. But since this course is available for you forever, you have the lifetime access to it. That's why the value is higher. Plus, we mentioned about the bonuses earlier. If you total everything, that's about 50,000 pesos. So if you add both 10,000 and 60,000 pesos, that's about 1.2 K in dollars, or 60,000 pesos. Now, how much is this course, you might ask? So if you compare that to 60,000 pesos, it's really a very value packed, and it's only 4,500 pesos, or $90. So if you purchase, we do a one-time purchase. I'm also offering a 2-month installment. So that's $50 for 2 months. That's a value of 2,400 pesos a month only. But I'll talk about the payment later. But so yeah, just to compare the two, so if you compare it to the total value, this is really a bargain, especially that I'm offering this for the first time. So the next time I'm offering this, the price will most likely increase. Okay, so how to join? Just go to the link later that I will share, and then click enroll in course. So after you click that, you will scroll down, and this is where you will have access to select whether choose the one-time payment of $90 or pay via bank deposit of 4,500 pesos. Just email me the screenshot after you make a payment. But if you pay via PayPal or credit card, you have immediate access. Or if you choose the 2-month installment, it's only available in dollars, so $50, and also available only via PayPal or credit debit card. So it's not available yung via bank deposit. So if you click one-time payment, click enroll in course, you will be taken to this page. You'll be asked to fill up your name, email address, and your password for your account inside the course. And then next, after you click sign up, you'll be taken to the payment details page where you will enter your credit card, debit card, or PayPal account. If you will be paying via bank deposit in peso 4,500, you have to pay first and then email me, and then I'll give you access. You won't go through this. So you have to wait maybe 1 to 2 days after you receive your access. So this is assuming you pay via credit card or PayPal. Okay, so once you have access, this is what you see inside the course. So this is similar to what I shared earlier. So it's very clean looking, and I really like the design. It's really very simple. You just click start and you'll be able to view the videos. And yeah, so this is, if you scroll down, the bonus content is below. And yeah, so the course will be closing on November 10, Thursday. So this is available just for 8 days. And I hope you really take action, and if you really think this course is for you, then if you decide now, then go to the link that I will share later and purchase the course. So you have only until Thursday, 11:59 p.m. to join. And after this, we will close the registration so that we can focus on serving all our students. And you may ask when this course will be available soon. To be honest, I don't know yet. Maybe in a few months, maybe most likely mid of next year. But for now, I won't be able to answer. So if you're really interested, I would highly suggest for you to take the course now. Okay, to join us now, as I mentioned, this is the link, freelanceblend.com/WPBB. Again, that's freelanceblend.com/WPBB, and you will see the screen, and then just click enroll in course. And as I mentioned earlier, you will be taken to the payment page. Again, the course closes on November 10, Thursday at 11:59 p.m. Okay, so I hope So I'll just stop sharing my screen. I really hope that you join our course, especially if you would like to learn about blogging and also WordPress. We'll really be sharing all our knowledge in this course, and you'll really learn a lot. And as our previous students have expressed, that they really found value in the course, and I also hope that you do if you join our course. And yeah, again, freelanceblend.com/WP for WordPress BB basics, and then the word actually WPBB lang pala, and you'll be taken directly to the sales page. Okay, that's it for this episode. Thanks again for watching and listening, and peace to everyone. Bye.
Thanks for listening to the Freelance Blend podcast. For more details about the show and our thriving freelancer community, please visit us at www.freelanceblend.com.